रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बाद Assalamu alaikum my dear friends, my name is Ruqayya. I am studying in class 8. My speech name is Allah. Allah is also our creator. Allah is also our hafiz. Allah is also our raziq. Allah is also our master. Allah is also our meaning. Allah is also our Rahman. Allah is also our Rahim. Dear sisters, he is a king who has no minister. He is a person who has no example. On top of that, his pupil and jinn, his tablet and pen, the earth and the sky are his. He is everywhere. Look up, Allah. Look down, Allah. Look right, Allah. Look left, Allah. Look front, Allah. Look back, Allah. Look at the sea, Allah. Look in the mountains, Allah. Look in the flowers, Allah. Look in the flowers, Allah. Look in the sky, Allah. Look in the moon, Allah. Look in the sun, Allah. Look in the star, Allah. Look in the tree, Allah. Look in the air, Allah. Look in the tree, Allah. Look in the moon, Allah. Change your life to find Allah. Thank you.